Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Please subscribe if you haven't yet already. It's a red button beneath me somewhere, and if you click on that, you'll be subscribed. There's also a white bell next to that, and if you click on that, you'll get an alert every time I upload new content. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. That would make me very happy. Today's video is very exciting. I am unboxing a secret package, the secret Agent Carter Bésame package. So I'll put a link in the description box down below for Bésame Cosmetics. They did a partnership with Disney with Snow White last year, and actually also this year. There are more things that have come out this year with Snow White. And then there's an Agent Carter collection. It's supposed to be coming out, I think, at the end of April, but if you signed up on their website, on the Agent Carter page, you started getting these clues. I'll also put a link in the description box down below to more information about Agent Carter if you don't know about her. And she used Bésame lipstick on the show. And so if you signed up for it, you started getting all of these clues, all of these coded messages and things you were supposed to start filling out. And you were also on a list for this thing that came in the mail today. The only way that you can get to it, if you go to Bésame right now and you look up, if you click on Agent Carter, you just get a link to this page where you can sign up for information about the April release. If you search right now for Carter, you get the box. $68, they still have it in stock. I've heard, I think, what's in it, and I'm really excited about it. If you don't like Agent Carter, it may not be something that you like, but I also love Bésame. And I love the fact that there are all these coded messages leading up to it and all of that. So it came in an outer cardboard box, and then inside it comes like this. And opening it up this way, and there's a box inside. It's like faux alligator, like a jewelry box, I guess. There's the outside of the box. And then it says Field Agent Lip Kit on the back. There's a marble label and everything too. Okay, so I'm opening it, and this is what it looks like when you open it. Nice kind of flocked interior. There is an autographed picture of Howard Stark, naturally. And then there's this piece of paper. Oh, also, if you were buying things from Bésame before, I don't have the thing. There used to be a thing that I got that came from them that was, I think, a letter from Jarvis talking about the upcoming release. And then this traffic violation came, I think, in one of the Snow White things that I bought. And this number got you something before. It was a series of all of these kind of codes that led to this point. So there's this inside of here from Stark Industries. Peggy, say hello to your newest piece of tech, courtesy of Stark Industries. For security purposes, it will appear to be an ordinary jewelry box, which it is. It appears to be a normal jewelry box, but I think that there's a secret compartment on the bottom. Pull that tab on the side to uncover the real gems, 3 lipsticks that pack a real punch. To make our tech as convincing as possible, these products will resemble the popular cosmetics brand Bésame. To the public, these look like 3 top-notch lipstick tubes, but the numbers in the front let you know what they really do. Commit these to memory. So I'm pulling the tab, and oh, there are the lipsticks. This is so beautiful. The packaging is beautiful. Everything is beautiful. I did take out a regular Bésame lipstick. This is what the regular tube looks like, and this is what this tube looks like. So it's definitely different packaging. It feels like the same weight. I'm not sure what the grams are. So number 102 Sweet Dreams. On the bottom it says Red Velvet, so I think this is their regular color Red Velvet. It's just branded differently. A neutral red lipstick suitable for everyday wear. Careful with this one. A single kiss on the lips and your date is out like a light. That's interesting. Here is a swatch. I love this color. Really pretty. I wonder if it works. And then let me see. Oh, yep, if you line it up. Oh, interesting. Okay, so it says Bésame on the inside, and then what you're doing is you're lining up the name of the lipstick with where the Bésame is on the inside and closing it. Okay, that's the first one. The second one is number 103 Forget Me Not, and this is Dusty Rose, which I think is another one of their colors. The only colors that I have from them are reds and like dark colors. I don't have any of the pinks or roses or oranges. A natural rose shade that looks like your lips but better. If someone spills the beans during a mission, I know it'd never be you. A single kiss on the lips and they won't remember the last 12 hours. That'd be neat. But this is pretty. So that's this one beneath it is Dusty Rose. Forget Me Not. And the third one is number 104, Always Be True. Red Hot Red is the color, the Bésame color. Ooh, this is so pretty. A highly pigmented and saturated red, dense, bright, and deep. Sometimes you don't have the luxury of good cop, bad cop. One kiss on the lips with this shade and no one will ever be able to lie to you. Ooh. This is, I don't think I've had this one before. I have Red Velvet, and I have Victory Red, and I have Bésame Red, but I don't think I've ever used Red Hot Red before. I think that's my favorite of all. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So the regular lipsticks are $22, and this set is $68. So it's not a great deal if you don't care about Agent Carter at all, or you don't care about like the packaging or anything at all. I'm gonna try Forget Me Not. It looks pretty. I'm just not normally a pinky kind of a girl, but I will definitely give it a shot. So I can a million times recommend Bésame. I can recommend a lot of their products. I would recommend this if you like Agent Carter, if you love Bésame, and anything kind of Coty. I know that they are going to have another release, or a real release happening in April. This is just the kind of secret one that happened if you happen to be on their list. So thank you so much for watching. I'm really excited about this, and I'm excited to share it with you. A lot to do in the world, a lot to do on YouTube, and I really appreciate the time that you took to spend with me today. Take care, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.